Key, clock, scissors.
I'll get the objects back.
Oh my God.
Just up ahead of us.
God forgive me.
Don't miss the exciting conclusion
Tell me you can bring her back.
of The Lost Room. 8:30 Sunday, exclusive to Showcase.
You think you like me? How can you not?
They were the closest of sisters, but the most powerful man in the world will make them rivals.
Tonight. I didn't betray you. You do know that.
Natalie Portman,
I could give you the sun you desire.
Scarlett Johansson,
Reach too high, as always.
Eric Bana,
Now you know how it feels to be deceived by your sister.
the other Boleyn girl.
Man, what do you do? I'm a sufferer. I'm gonna let you hang on to my car for the weekend.
It was only $21 in my bank account.
For his son, he'll reach for the impossible.
I'm getting a better job. You gotta trust me.
I trust you.
Anyone else would give up,
I can do it.
but he isn't just anyone.
What would you say if a guy walked in without a shirt and I hired him?
Will Smith,
You must have had on some really nice pants.
The Pursuit of Happiness, Showtime premiere, 8:30 Sunday.
I screw men for money. And I love women. Could you handle a double? I like it. I like it a lot. Every Sunday night, I get to hire, and the men get to pick. Satisfaction guaranteed. It's my gift to this world, and I love it. Double the satisfaction Sunday night, exclusive to Showcase.
Help us destroy all of it. The time has come to pick sides.
If you are not for me now, then you are against me.
To pay for sins. Have you come to beg my forgiveness? Definitely.
I'll then beg for it.
To lay it all on the table.
I know what you're doing.
Cardinal stands between us and everything.
And hope the cards fall right.
King Lausanne live.
And you will be de facto.
Do I have my divorce?
The Tudors continues next on Showcase.